Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change text box border style in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document with text box. Now you want to change text box border style. Click the text box and go to the format menu. Then click shape outline option. Then go to the wide option, change the wide, increase or decrease. Then again go to the shape outline and find and click dashes option. Then choose any dashes to create a style. Then we want to change the color of the border. Click shape outline and change color, choose any color. Now you can see this is a stylish text box border. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.